Action.
Good evening, tubers, and welcome to the Pistol Lineman Workshop. In a very wet shed this evening, we thought...
Ken.
Yeah. We thought we'd... we were getting a bit lonely in here. There only two of us speaking to ourselves and the other not really listening. So we thought tonight we'd introduce a new co-host. Now, live and kicking are the Leprechauns, Roger Badger, and now we have Billy Ballswell.
Round of applause for Billy Ballswell.
Yeah, as you can see, he likes to tip all the same with us, which is alright by our standards.
Meets the criteria to be
Yeah,
on the
meets the
show.
criteria, like, he's got a vague look and likes a pop. So, yeah, from now on he's going to be joining us. You might see him in the background doing some work on other projects. or yeah, you might even see him hosting, who knows. But, yeah, we thought we introduced him now. He's been a good crack. He's, obviously, he's an exchange student.
Normally behind the scenes. Yeah, but he comes to the front behind the camera.
Yeah, he's the one normally holding the camera. So, so it's precariously balanced.
He's a straw.
He's a straw, yes, that's fine of a straw. Yeah, so there you have it. The newest member to the Pistol Lineman Workshop team, Billy Ballswell. He's a full-on, he loves a chuckle, and so do we.
He's a good all-rounder.
Yeah. He's admiring the handiwork on the calf racer at the moment. He would be where the front end is, but that's getting work done to it. So, yeah, there he is. There we were. Check out all the other videos. See you next time for...
Don't forget the Facebook.
Yeah, some more work, maybe.
Like and subscribe.
See you again.